Greetings and salutations, folks. I'm Josh from Layzee Acres. I'm here with the Dutch bad boy, Brendan Hannemeyer.
How's it going, everybody?
Right on. We just had, it's 2 weeks ago now, but we had our Grand Design open house, and it was extreme success. We met a lot of people. We did sell a lot of trailers, a lot of Grand Designs, a lot of used Grand Designs, actually. Hey, Brendan?
Yep.
We've
even taken a few in on trade already since then that we've been selling.
Yeah, it felt almost like family reunion-ish. Right? Like you just like, hey, what's up, man? Hey, Josh. It was just kind of fun. So it was a great time. But today we're going to do the draw. Before we do that, though, Brendan, you're doing something this weekend.
Yes.
Yeah, something to do with the Grand Design, right?
Yeah, there's like an independent group on Facebook that's the Canadian Grand Design RV owners, and they're doing a small little rally at the Barrie KOA this coming weekend. So I think I saw that like 50 or 60 attendees that have accepted that they're coming. So I'll be going down with the family in a Grand Design, and we're going to bring a few on display and camp and meet a bunch of people as well.
I didn't know you were bringing the family.
Yeah. That's
nice.
Yeah.
And I wasn't invited.
Tom did bring you up at first, but then I don't know what happened.
Uncle Josh wasn't invited. Yeah. That's okay. But we've got three kind of giveaways, right? So basically over the weekend, people put their names and information in this little plastic bin, and the three things we're giving away was a Coleman cooler with the Lynx leveler, so that's a package deal right through there, just like Brendan and I.
Exactly.
And then we've got the Furrion backup camera. What size screen does this be?
5-inch.
5-inch screen, okay. And then we have a, we gave this away last time too. It's a Onan generator, peak watts of 4,500, which is pretty spectacular. Do you want to pull the first name?
Sure. What are we pulling first?
Let's go smallest to biggest. Let's go with the cooler and the Lynx leveler. Thank you. Oh yeah, give it a shake. I put all my customers at the top, so.
Are you picking or am I?
No, you're picking. I'll hold this for you. You gotta look in my eyes though.
For the cooler.
All right.
I was looking at the camera.
Okay.
The cooler, the winner, JP
Tache.
Okay.
Touche. Tache.
Perfect.
All right.
Congratulations.
So, we'll be giving you a call there, JP. JP, right?
Yep.
All right. We know you're watching. Can you shake that when I look down?
Sorry. Oh, no.
Sorry. All right. So I'll be giving away the Furrion backup camera. I'm going to the bottom. All my customers fell to the bottom. So. Addie Miller. That's great.
Perfect.
Addie Miller, you got yourself a Furrion backup camera, 5-inch, spectacular stuff, and then you'll be drawing for the generator. I think you drew for the generator last time.
Yep.
Okay. Look up.
Well, this one's really folded up.
Oh yeah? A little origami action?
Brandon Hannemeyer. No, I'm just kidding. Christiana Jones.
Sweet.
Perfect. This is one of my customers.
Really?
Bought a 16 BL. Congratulations.
Right on. This is going to run
This
like
is going to run the whole Imagine. Super simple. That's awesome. That's cool.
That's great. Awesome. Yeah. Okay, so thanks for watching. No fake date giveaways this time. Right? We're not giving away a date too.
We're not, no. Will and Cornell can't go on any more dates. No.
But thanks for watching. Hit the likes and subscribe button. Hit us up on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And we'll do this again. The open house stuff has been a real success. So 100%. Definitely a Jayco one next year. Definitely a Grand Design one. We're looking forward to that. So we'll see you guys soon.
Have a good one.